everyone, I'm at the cockatiel cage. Oh, the camera might be. There, I'm at the cockatiel cage, and that's the nest box. I just took it down to show you guys something. There's the mum, and as you can see, the eggs are cracked. Let me just move her because she's a little bit feisty, as you can see. It's all good, but when they're feisty like this, it just means they're very protective, which I'm happy for. Oh, can you see that there? She's got two babies under her. See that? Oh, yep. They're the two baby cockatiels. Big, aren't they? Got their full hair and everything. And there's two more eggs that look like gonna hatch soon. Excuse me, Mama. Come on. I'm not poking her. I'm trying not to. I'm just touching her body, and she'll step out of the way for me. Alright, there's an egg what hasn't hatched yet, and hopefully they all hatch. Yeah, so I've got two baby cockatiels so far. I found out by when I looked down, I saw this shell what they must have thrown out, and I was like, wait, does that mean they hatched? So yeah, I've got baby cockatiels. Whoa! Yeah, I've got baby cockatiels. Very happy about that. Yeah, I've started breeding cockatiels. My budgies over there have eggs now. So everything's happening and I'm really happy. Thank you. Bye.